This storage system fits late-model Ford Super Duty trucks with the long bed and turns the open box into a highly organized, easy-to-access workspace. The paired sliding drawers are long, smooth to operate, and surprisingly roomy, so tools, recovery gear, and hunting or camping equipment stay sorted instead of rattling around loose. On top of the drawers, you still get a strong, flat platform that can handle heavy payloads, so you do not give up the ability to haul bulky materials or large equipment. The drawers are engineered to shed water and dust and can be locked through the tailgate or optional locks, which helps keep valuable gear better protected from weather and casual theft. Construction that combines a steel subframe with a high-density polymer deck feels very solid, shrugs off abuse, and is backed by a lifetime guarantee from a United States manufacturer. Included organizers, bins, and tie-downs make it easy to customize the layout right away, and once installed, the whole system can be removed or reinstalled in roughly a quarter of an hour.